How to convert AV and S-video to VGA port. Hello friends, using this converter device you can convert AV and S-video port to VGA output. VGA output here, S-video input and video input here. Also VGA in. And you can see here 5-volt power supply, the keys to control and work with device. I will introduce this device and we will test it at the end of this video. AC/DC adapter for power supply, AC/DC adapter 5V1A for power supply. You need to connect this plug here. And here you can see S-video cable and here video AV cable and finally VGA cable. Let's go to test and install. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. You can input S-video or AV or even VGA to this device. For example, I try connect the video AV input by this cable or this cable. I try connect this cable to input video in here. You can see video in. That's good. If you need, connect the S-video cable to S-video in. That's good. If you need, you can connect the VGA port cable to VGA in. For example, you have a 3 device, S-video from HD TV, for example, AV cable, a PS3 or DVD VCD player, VGA PC. You can connect 3 devices here. For example, I have a monitor that only has a VGA input, so I connect the VGA output of the converter, VGA output of the converter to VGA input of monitor using a VGA cable. Here I have a satellite receiver that we will use as an example today. This satellite receiver has a video output. Video output here, you can see. Connect the video output with the AV cable, video cable. Connect to video input. Now we can do the test. I will connect the power adapter, turn on the monitor and satellite receiver for test. Okay, you can see this converter convert AV to VGA output. If you have connected another device to this input, the input of this converter with an S-video or VGA cable, you can connect the VGA in here. You can switch the image and video between them using this key. You can switch with this key. If you see monitor, I try to switch to S-video and VGA and AV. Well friends, we have already introduced another AV to VGA converter on the channel, but this AV to VGA converter is more advanced option.